chats, maybe you're doing them for work, your Zoom calls, connecting with your loved ones, even creating content. How is your lighting? If you feel like you always have weird shadows or you've got to move in front of a window and then it's too bright or it's too dark, you need a nice ring light. But they're not all created equally. A lot of them, they're kind of one-trick ponies. A light turns on and it turns off and that's it. Or you can only put them in a certain place, or you have to buy an extra tripod to go with it, or a way to hold your phone up while you've got the ring light. Well, that's why I'm so excited to feature this. This is new and it was saved for this show. It's from DigiPower and it's a nice size 11-inch foldable ring light. So a lot of reasons to love this. First of all, lots of different modes. So you can see I've got one in front of me. We put a cell phone in it. You can fit practically any cell phone. You've got the power button right here, so I can turn it on and off. Look at the difference when you have a ring light. You can change the lighting mode, so there's different temperatures of light. And then you can also change the brightness levels. You can push it up or down. You see, you can obviously easily mount a cell phone if you want to. You could also put your laptop in front of this, but it's completely adjustable and completely portable. So I can raise this up and down. I don't need to buy an extra tripod for it. I can put it on a tabletop if I want, and when you're done, it folds down into its base and you can take it on the go. Really cool. This is such a great piece to have. A wonderful price on this as well. It's $12 on a flex payment and free shipping. And then you get to try it out for a full 30 days. So whether it is for work, for connecting with family, for creating content, you gotta have a great ring light. Light makes all the difference. Bill Duggan will tell you that. He's our electronics expert. Bill, good to see you. Let's see you with some light, my friend.
You just light up my life, Michelle. What can I say? Boom.
Ooh,
and just like that,
such a difference.
You're going to look sharper. Yeah. Everything's going to be crisper and easier. But the thing is, you pointed it out. There's other options out there. We've all seen the ring light, right? But is it too bright? Is it not adjustable? And that's what's great. So you see you have all your controls right over here. And this is what's awesome. Is this too washed out? I can actually turn down the temperature. So this is when it's turned off, and realize there's 3 modes. So there's daylight mode, there's a warm mode, there's a cool mode. So you can pick what works for your living space and environment. Because I like how you pointed out, sometimes we do get that nice light from the window. But does that mean that part of the house is dirty behind you, so you got to clean the house? So, you know, there's all these little things that come into play. So you see also, I did the 3 different modes. I also have the option to turn it down. So 3 modes, and each one of those modes has 10 different intensities on the inside. So the light itself is really powerful and functional. But you know what? It went one further. I'm going to turn on the lights over here, and I want to show you what the Digilight looks like. So it is actually on a telescoping stand. So I can go up to 67 inches tall on the floor. So if I need to stand up and present, or want to show something off, want to show off my prom dress, want to show off the wedding dress, I'm not cramped. Because there are other ring lights, like that's a perfect example, but they need to be tabletop, or they only clip on to your computer or screen.
Oh my gosh,
so I can place my computer right in front of it. I can place a tablet that we have coming up in front of it. My controls are right here. And again, easy to control. I love the fact that this is universal, whether it's going to be horizontal or vertical, because that's another thing. Yes, I can pop in any size or brand of phone right in here. Boom, just like that. But you'll also notice you can turn it so it can be either direction. It's omnidirectional, which is great. So that's the functionality of this. But I have had other ring lights. I've tried them because, you know, we needed them. We needed them for work. People wanted them for makeup. People want it for all that. But then when you travel it, look how fragile that ring is.
Look at the difference.
And you're worried, right? And the thing is, it's an important difference, because that's your job interview right there. That's your first date with someone. I mean, this is really how you are going to be seen and connected. And actually, okay, I might have just put on some powder and concealer because I traveled yesterday. Okay. But if you don't have good lighting in your bathroom or wherever you get your makeup on, you can now. But if you do travel with this, power cord right over here, look what this does. I've locked it down. But you can just fold this down. So you don't have to worry about this. It's right in place.
Unbelievable. I have tried so many different kinds since we've started living in this day and age, and a lot of them, there are a million parts. You got to set up a tripod, get the legs right. You purchase that separately. You put them all in a bag, all the pieces. I've had the ones too where the ring light's on a clip, and you try to clip it on the table, and it comes off all the time, and then you have to like figure out how to rig your phone or your laptop. This is the highest quality ring light I have seen, and I love you got this long cord, complete adjustability. You can absolutely change the type of lighting too, depending on what time of day it is or where you are in your house. The brightness levels can change up and down, and look at the difference. This is without.
Right.
with. I mean, pretty amazing, and I love it. Doesn't get too hot. It's a really nice size. So if you guys want to try this, it's new. It was saved for this show. The free shipping is phenomenal. It's $12, and you can get it home or send it to someone who's doing a lot of work from home, or who's doing the job interviews, like you were saying, connecting with family, or creating content. A lot of us doing that now from our homes. So you got to have great lighting. Bill, I'm excited because coming up in just a little bit, brand new smart deal, you guys.
Stick around, right?